Discover the TRONXY VEHO 1000, an industrial-grade FDM 3D printer engineered for creators, engineers, manufacturers, and businesses that require ultra-large format printing with exceptional precision and reliability. In this video, we take an in-depth look at the TRONXY VEHO 1000, a powerful DIY large-format 3D printer featuring an enormous 1000 x 1000 x 1000 mm build volume, direct drive extrusion system, automatic bed leveling, and dual-axis linear guide technology designed for professional-grade additive manufacturing. Whether you are producing large prototypes, functional engineering parts, architectural models, furniture components, cosplay props, industrial tooling, or custom manufacturing projects, the VEHO 1000 provides the space and performance needed to bring ambitious ideas to life. Its impressive 1 cubic meter printing volume eliminates the need to divide oversized models into multiple sections, reducing assembly time while improving structural strength and print quality. The integrated direct drive extruder delivers consistent filament feeding and precise extrusion, making it suitable for a wide range of printing materials while improving accuracy on detailed models and flexible filaments. Key features: massive 1000 x 1000 x 1000 mm build volume, industrial-grade FDM 3D printing technology, direct drive extrusion system, automatic bed leveling, dual-axis linear guide rails, high-precision motion system, stable large-format printing, heavy-duty frame construction, large-scale prototype manufacturing, professional engineering applications, industrial product development, high printing accuracy, smooth layer consistency, DIY assembly design, reliable long-duration printing, compatible with multiple filament materials, intelligent printing control, user-friendly interface, optimized for oversized models, suitable for professional and commercial use. The robust frame construction minimizes vibration during printing, ensuring greater stability and maintaining excellent dimensional accuracy even when producing extremely large objects over extended print times. Automatic bed leveling simplifies printer calibration by ensuring a properly leveled build surface before every print, helping improve first-layer adhesion and reducing print failures. The dual-axis guide rail system enhances motion precision and mechanical stability, allowing smooth travel across the large build area while maintaining consistent print quality from edge to edge. The direct drive extruder provides excellent filament control, making the printer suitable for engineering materials and complex geometries that require precise extrusion and reliable material handling. The VEHO 1000 is an ideal solution for manufacturers, product designers, universities, research laboratories, automotive companies, aerospace projects, architectural firms, and professional makers seeking industrial-scale 3D printing capabilities. Whether you are developing functional prototypes, manufacturing custom parts, creating large artistic sculptures, or producing industrial components, the TRONXY VEHO 1000 offers outstanding performance, reliability, and exceptional large-format printing capacity. Subscribe to the channel for more 3D printer reviews, additive manufacturing technology, product demonstrations, and the latest innovations in professional 3D printing solutions.